Alright, going to continue our drive across the Merritt Island. Got one waypoint in here. I'll roll around a little bit. And we'll try to get her engaged. FSD now. Got sweeping lefter here. Nobody coming, very nice. Sweep back to the right. Put a blinker on this time. Now we got a stop sign here where there's a gate across the road, so really there's no place for anybody to cause us any trouble, but we're going to take our sweet time. And now left here. Alright, we got through there. Self-driving car. Appreciate you getting me through. We'll have a right turn here. It stopped for stop sign. Kind of already stopped back there. This is cars on the left. So stop. Okay, you cannot go. That was awkward. Okay, creeping into the intersection, I like that. Okay, we should go, we should go, we should go. I don't know why it wasn't going. It was getting a little bit awkward sitting there. Had cars behind me. Oh, now slamming on the brakes. I intervened there, gave it some go juice. Okay, right turn up ahead. Okay. Should be no problem to just roll on. That was sweet, nicely done. Okay, getting in the left lane like that. Okay, now we got an interesting left turn here. I think we're right. We're good. We're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, intervene. Give it a little go juice. All right. Now we got a left, unprotected left here. Stopping for stop sign. Creeping for visibility. Got a good creep. Oh, it's open. It's open. Go, 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 go. Hesitated a little bit in there. Oh, now what's it getting over here for? Ooh, that's not good. Okay. So went into the chicken lane. Okay, I'm not sure why it was going to cross over that yellow line, the solid white line. It probably would have been fine. Some people setting up for the rocket launch. Skies are looking good right now. I'm going to take over. I had a nice spot to see the launch. Would have been great. Not going to happen.